Can you imagine the number of people who are passing out of college every year with various graduate and postgraduate programs, whether in computer science or in non-computer science? Can you imagine the number? Can you imagine how many of them get jobs, what they deserve? Also, can you think about the number of people who are getting the job in their own domain? Have you ever seen non-computer science students working in IT? I will not talk about statistics here. What I will talk about is there are a lot of things that we ignore as a college student which will bend our actual future. You can be in the right company, you can be in the right job, you can make your future bright, but due to ignoring few of the things and adopting some habits which should not be adopted, you might get distracted with your goal. So, hey everyone, my name is Saf, you're watching GreyOnTechTV, and I am on a mission to guide you at the right path. I'm a software professional and I have seen different industries working, and I have seen different professionals going better in their direction and what are the mistakes that they are doing. This video will be discussing upon what are the things that you should do as a college student in order to excel in your life in the future. You might be a college student, maybe a graduation or a post-graduation student, and there are a lot of things you are unaware about what is going in the industry. First thing that you should do is grab good connections with your college seniors who are working in their entry-level jobs. Because of this, you will be able to understand what the industry is demanding actually. If you're having a college senior who recently got a job, he was in final year and you got in touch with him and he recently got a job, the updates that he will be giving to you sitting in the industry and the demands of the industry will make you aware about how things are going in the industry right now, and you can make yourself prepared till your final year accordingly. You can learn various technologies as per the current situation is demanding. Second thing, if you are networking with your college seniors, it will be very beneficial for you. Second thing, you are not having a LinkedIn profile. Because of this, you might miss a lot of opportunities like internships or any kind of off-campus placements which are available in metro cities nearby your home, and you can go and grab the offer off campus, but you ignore that. I think networking is very important on LinkedIn, and creating your own profile in an effective way is very much important in 2023. Next, also besides LinkedIn, you should not do the traditional courses in programming. In 2023, landscape of programming is completely changed. You cannot think yourself that Java and Python are the only major domains. Now the domains are digital marketing, data analytics, data science. Like the domains are going much more holistic now, rather than we are sticking. In the earlier times, there was only web development, JavaScript, Java, Node.js, React.js, Python. These were the only things where we were able to see the people who were specializing in and getting their jobs. But now the landscape has changed. People are not only demanding the technical skills but also outcomes on the technical skills. Java and Python are not only the base technologies, there are a lot of things beyond them. If you are saving your time and doing those technologies, definitely it will be helping you out in the future, because companies do not work on the generic tools and technologies. They will not work on core Java or core like Python. They will work on the libraries and frameworks of them. Make sure you understand the industry, take information from your seniors, do things in advance which are actually been practicing in the software companies today, so that by the time you are in final year, you will be the one who has been chosen by most of the companies, even on campus as well as off campus. Next, always make sure to create projects in college, not because of marks, but because of usefulness. If you have a problem to be solved, and you can solve it by creating applications on software or anything, definitely that thing, once you create, it will not only become a project for you in your final year, it will also become a tag where this student solved this problem using a software application. So this person is a problem solver. This attitude is somewhat most likely preferable while choosing a candidate. I recommend you to try to become a problem solver in actually doing the practical projects rather than following the traditional projects like learning management system, library management system. These are the things. You can create real life applications, for example, a social networking site, or solving a problem of communicating with the college professors, sharing research papers. There are a number of examples that I can give you. Also, make sure to participate in extracurricular activities. This is one of the four most important things that we, while studying, we ignore that there are some things called extracurricular activities in our colleges, which we usually ignore because of shyness or lack of self-esteem. Trust me, this will really help you for the rest of your life, because work anybody can do, but the extracurricular activities make you unique as a person. You know how to play a guitar, you know how to do stand-up comedy. A number of things can be possible, right? That's what it will make you remember. Your manager will remember you by your hobby, or the entire floor knows that this person is pro in playing piano. Just giving you an example. Even in office, these skills really matter. And if you are confident enough to put yourself up and speak up, and try to become a good personality, do some online courses where you can extend your vocabulary and speaking skills. Do all the courses that you can to make yourself unique, and which not everybody is doing. In this video, this was all about the things that you need to do in college. In the coming sessions, I'll make further more videos for college students to make them much more aware about the industry. If you really like my advice, do like this video and share it to the friends who need it, and subscribe my channel.